Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Reston, Manitoba, a small prairie community located in the southwest corner of the province. Reston was first established in the early 1900s as the railway brought settlers and opportunities to the area. The town quickly grew into a service center for nearby farms and rural communities. It was named after Reston Junction in Scotland, reflecting the heritage of some of the early settlers. Agriculture has always been at the heart of life here, with wheat, canola, and livestock shaping the local economy for generations. Visitors can enjoy its peaceful streets, local parks, and beautiful prairie scenery. Its mix of history, charm, and small-town hospitality make it a wonderful place to visit. Whether you are here for a short stop or to explore the area in more depth, Reston offers a warm Manitoba welcome. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Reston, Manitoba,